Good morning, everybody. This is Nate Loves Storm LOL, and welcome to another video, everybody. Today is Saturday, September the 6th, 2025, and it's almost 12 p.m. That makes it the afternoon, and I hope you're having a great day. This is a tropical weather update, and then we have to talk about some severe weather. For right now, here's what we have in the tropics. Now, this storm right here, this disturbance used to have a good chance of development. Even I thought that it was going to develop. This morning, it has a low chance of development. We thought that this will become our next named storm, Gabrielle, but the odds of this now, as of today, right now, is really low. You know what? I don't even think that this storm is going to develop. I don't even think that this storm is gonna develop as well because the wind shear and the dry air. But I say there's another wave that's beginning to come off Africa. Wait, no, it's not beginning. There's a wave that's supposed to come off Africa, and this one can have a chance of development as well. And then the areas I'm circling here in the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic, these are the areas that we're going to have to watch for homegrown activity. Homegrown activity is basically tropical weather that forms close to land. Let's say it can form like that and just move on like that. Just probably move on like that. Something like that. Just homegrown activity. That's not the track that I'm saying, but it's just an example. Yeah. We have to watch out for some homegrown activity somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico. I'm gonna circle those areas again. Somewhere in these areas, let me do that again. In these areas here, close to home. And on to the Eastern Pacific here, we still have major Hurricane Kiko. It has actually exploded into a Category 4 again. And then we look like we got a new disturbance here that has a chance of development in the Eastern Pacific. And here is a awesome satellite image from Major Hurricane Kiko in the Eastern Pacific. It's heading towards the Hawaii Islands. I don't believe that it's going to bring a huge impact because I truly believe that this is mostly going to kind of miss Hawaii. But I think it will bring some waves and, you know what, probably a little bit of showers and thunderstorms, but it all depends on how close Hurricane Kiko gets to Hawaii. And the severe weather outlook is getting some attention as well. We have a slight risk for severe weather up in the New York area, in the New Jersey areas. This is a slight risk for severe weather in these areas here. Damaging winds and some hail will be likely. And there's a chance for tornadoes as well. We have a possible risk for tornadoes in this area as well. And here is our tornado threat. Wow. Okay, so this is actually increased into a 5% risk for tornadoes. The last time I checked, it was just a 2% risk. They have actually upgraded this into a 5% risk. Whew. If one of my favorite storm broadcasters go live today, I'm gonna have a good time watching that. We have a 5% risk for tornadoes today. This has been upgraded. This is probably a level 2 risk. Some tornadoes. Let me see. So let's. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Hold up, y'all. I'm sorry. All right. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be likely today. Damaging winds and a tornado or two. Okay, a tornado or two is possible or likely in this area, in these areas here. A tornado or two. Probably we might see a brief kind of spin up tornado that spin up, and it might become a dangerous threat. So we have a 5% risk for tornadoes. If you live in this area, if you live in these areas here on the 2 and the 5, please be weather aware. Have a way to get watches and warnings if there's any tornado warnings that pop up today. Yes, this is a 5% risk. It actually kind of shocked me a little bit because I didn't check on the new update on the severe weather outlook for today, on the tornado outlook. Yeah, we have a 5% risk for tornadoes today. A tornado or two is possible. All right, everybody. That's it for this video for today. I'm gonna make it kind of short here because I'm about to go out in a few moments, and I just really want to make this video before I go out. I hope you have a nice rest of your day, everybody. God bless you all, and always keep faith in your life. Be faithful. Be grateful. Have gratitude, and God bless y'all for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay weather aware today. Yeah, stay weather aware today. We have a severe weather threat that has increased, and also a tornado threat has increased. If you're in those areas that I showed you on the tornado outlook, stay weather aware for a tornado or two, and I'll see you in the next video.